Recently installed a new ceiling fan. Started to smell electrical burning and found the motor was extremely hot. Replaced it with another new one, same model, and having the same thing happen.
What's the brand and model of your ceiling fan? How old is it?
Harbor Breeze Building Series 52 inches.
How long has this been going on with your ceiling fan? What have you tried so far?
Both had been installed less than 24 hours before the issues have occurred.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I've tried calling the manufacturer and have been on hold more than 1.5 hours with no luck.
Hello, I'm sorry you're having a problem with your fan. I can help you with that. It could very well be a supply voltage issue. Do you have a multimeter to do some tests on the circuit?
I do not, but I can buy one. We had an old fan that I replaced that was working just fine. Only difference I can think of was the old fan didn't have the ground wire attached, it looked.
Some fans come with plastic shipping blocks so the motor won't spin. If this had them and they were left in place, it could cause overheating.
Other than the screws for the fan blades pre-attached to the motor that had to be removed, I don't see anything else that might hold it in place.
Okay, I would double check voltage at the ceiling box. Then check it at the switch box as well. That would require a multimeter, so if you are able to get one, do it.
Thanks. What should it read at the box?
It should read around 120 volts hot to neutral and hot to ground.
Okay, and if either of them are not reading that, what is my next step? Call an electrician.
If your switch box has only one white and one black, read it from white to ground with the switch on and then again from black to ground. It really depends on what you find and where you find it. You can let me know what you find and we can go from there with any recommendations or further testing.
Okay, and if we're just using the pull chain on the fan, then I've only got one box to check. Appreciate it.
Yes, if there is now switch box, then just the ceiling box. But if there is an old switch box with a blank cover, pull that off and check in there too.
Will do, thanks again.
Glad to help. Hello, any luck?
White was giving me 120, so I have no neutral wire, turns out. Old owner split off a 240V line from the electric heater to wire the fan, looks like.
Oh wow. I wonder if the old fan was 240 volts or they were using a ground wire for a neutral?
Had to be cause it was up for at least 6 years that I've been coming to the house before I bought it. The ground wire wasn't wired to the old fan actually. I remember that when I took it down.
Wow, well at least you know what's going on now.
Haha, 3 fans later. I appreciate the help.
My pleasure. Good luck and stay safe.
Thanks, you too.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.